English learners, I'm Mhajo, your ESL bestie, and this is English with Mhajo, where we'll learn smart English hacks in just 5 minutes. Today's hack is all about one tiny but super powerful word, get. You hear it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. First off, get can mean received, like when you get a gift or a message. Example, I got a message this morning. That means I received a message. Next, get can mean become. You use it when things are changing. Example, it's getting dark. That means it is becoming dark. Did you know get can also mean buy? Example, I'll get some coffee on the way. That means I'll buy some coffee. Here's a super common one. Get can mean understand. Example, I didn't get the joke. That means I didn't understand it. And finally, get is part of many useful phrasal verbs. Let's look at 3. Get up. I get up at 6 a.m. Get over. She can't get over her ex. Get along. Do you get along with your classmates? Now it's your turn. Fill in the blank with the correct form of get. Ready? Let's go. ESL hack. The word get is small but powerful, so use it, notice it, and practice it. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an English hack. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite way to use get. I'll be reading. Thank you. See ya. Bye.